Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set your own pictures as screensaver on your Google TV. Now over here I do have a Skyward Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or brand of Google TV you have, whether it's a Hisense Google TV, TCL Google TV, Chromecast with Google TV, the Google TV streamer, Sony Google TV, or any Google TV stick or Google TV box, the process is quite the same. So quickly, if you go over to the settings of your Google TV, so if you navigate horizontally from the top to the settings icon over here, tap on all settings and then scroll all the way down until you get to the system option over here. Navigate to the right hand side and then you scroll down to Ambient Mode, tap on it and then to the settings over here. If you tap on Google Photos, you will usually be required to verify your identity either using your PIN, or sometimes you'll be required to sign into your Google account, that is the Google account that is associated with your Google TV. In my case, I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account. So I'll tap on forget PIN over here. If you have your PIN, you can as well sign in with your Google PIN. And automatically your Google TV is going to access all of the photos in the different albums of the Google Photos app, and it's also linked to that particular Google account. Also at this point, you can allow your Google TV to randomly choose between photos in any of the albums you have on the Google Photos app, or alternatively, you can go ahead and choose from the select family and friends option over here, allowing you to be able to set photo of any particular person only as the screensaver on your phone. So I can go ahead and select my image from over here, click on confirm, and the only image that is going to be displayed as the screensaver on my Google TV is going to be my picture. However, if you also want to be able to select photos that are actually on your phone, then what you would want to do is to open up the Google Photos app on your phone. So it is usually called the Photos app. If you have an iPhone, you can as well download the Google Photos app from the App Store. Just go ahead and open up the Google Photos app once you have the application. And basically what you want to do next is to tap on the plus icon on the top right of the Google Photos app, and then tap on the create album option from over here, and then you can go ahead and name your album as well, and then tap on the select photos option from over here. And now all you just have to do is to scroll down through all of the photos you have on your phone and then select the pictures which you want to set as screensaver on your Google TV. So I'll go ahead and select this one, and once you're done, you want to tap on the add button at the top right from over here. And now you have been able to successfully create a folder. So what you want to do now is to just tap on the check button on the left hand side and you're good to go. So we have now created a folder. You can now exit from the previous page and then go ahead and select on Google Photos again. And now you can see that Google TV Photos, which is actually a collection of specific pictures I want to use as my screensaver, has now been added to my Google TV. So I'll go ahead and select it from over here, scroll down and click on confirm, go ahead and click on got it. The screensaver of your Google TV will literally be pictures from the specific album which you have selected on your Google Photos app. You can also go ahead to make some changes by going over to the Google Photos settings from over here and then choose the type of slideshow you want. So if you want it to be dynamic or literally just basic, so this is actually the basic option. This is how it looks. You can also go ahead and choose it to be dynamic. You can come out of this option as well and then select the speed of each slideshow. So you can go ahead and make it 1 minute or just 10 seconds depending on what you want. And as soon as you're done making all of these changes, if you go back to the home of your Google TV and then just go over to screensaver. So if I tap on screensaver from over here, you can now see that only my photos are used as screensaver for my Google TV. Also keep in mind that if at any point your Google TV starts using random photos which are not included in your album, all you just have to do is to make sure you add enough photos to your album so that it won't have to use other random photos to complete the album. And I hope this was helpful. If it was, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.